Hey guys, today I'll inform you about the very big news. Something big just happened in AI and most people didn't even notice. While everyone was watching OpenAI, Google, and big tech headlines, a quieter move changed the game. A company called DeepSeek released something called ENGRAM. At first it looked small, just another AI upgrade. But experts are now saying this one change made AI think faster, remember more, and learn in ways we haven't seen before. Not in 5 years, not in the future. Right now. According to recent reports, this upgrade could shift how powerful large language models really are. And here's the unsettling part. This didn't come from Silicon Valley. It didn't come from big tech leaders we're used to. It came from outside the spotlight. Why does this matter to developers in the US, Europe, and Asia? Why are AI researchers quietly watching DeepSeek? And why do some experts believe Engram signals the next phase of machine intelligence? By the end of this video, you'll understand three things. First, how a small design change made AI dramatically smarter. Second, why this challenges OpenAI and Google in a serious way. And third, what this means for the future tools you'll use every day. This isn't hype. It's not fear-mongering. It's a pattern. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. Let me show you exactly how this happened. Setup and context. To understand why Ngram matters, we need to step back. For years, AI progress followed a simple rule. Bigger models, more data, more money. Companies believed that if you made AI larger, it became smarter. That worked. For a while. OpenAI scaled GPT models. Google scaled Gemini. Others followed the same path. But scaling came with problems. More cost. More energy. More delay. Researchers began asking a quiet question. What if intelligence doesn't only come from size? What if it comes from structure? This is where DeepSeek enters the story. DeepSeek is an AI research company focused on model efficiency, not flashy demos, not viral launches. Instead, they study how AI thinks internally, how it stores information, how it reasons step by step, how it connects past knowledge to new problems. According to researchers familiar with the project, Ngram is not a new model, it's something deeper. It's a system upgrade. Ngram changes how large language models manage memory, reasoning, and learning speed. Think of it like this. You didn't get smarter because your brain got bigger. You got smarter because it learned how to organize thoughts better. Ngram does something similar, and that's why this matters globally, because when intelligence becomes more efficient, power shifts fast. Now here's where things get really interesting. First major revelation. The first shock is how small changes created massive gains. According to recent reports, Ngram improves how AI remembers and recalls information. Before this, most LLMs worked like this. They predicted the next word, then forgot the deeper context over time. Ngram changes that behavior. It allows models to store structured memory. Not raw text, not random tokens, but meaning. Researchers suggest this lets AI reason across longer tasks without losing focus. Here's a simple example. Ask a normal AI to plan a business. After a few minutes, it forgets earlier goals. The plan becomes messy. With Ngram-style systems, the AI keeps goals active. It adjusts, it improves, it learns. This affects daily tools immediately. Coding assistants become more reliable. Research tools connect ideas better. AI tutors adapt to how you think. And here's the key point. This didn't require a larger model, it required a better design. That's why experts are paying attention. Because if intelligence scales through efficiency, not size, the entire AI race changes. But if you think that's impressive, wait until you hear this. Second major revelation. The second revelation is about power shift. For years, AI leadership was centralized. US companies dominated. Massive budgets decided winners. Ngram challenges that model. According to researchers, efficient systems lower the barrier to advanced AI. That means less computing, less cost, more accessibility. This matters deeply for developers worldwide, in Europe, in South Asia, in the Middle East. smaller teams can now compete, and that makes big tech nervous. Experts believe this is why ENGRAM was launched quietly. No big keynote, no flashy hype. Because when systems change at this level, reactions come later. Governments notice, corporations adjust, markets respond. And here's the hidden layer. AI progress isn't slowing, it's becoming invisible. Upgrades like ENGRAM don't look dramatic, but they stack. And stacked improvements lead to sudden jumps. This brings us to the most shocking discovery of all. Climax revelation. ENGRAM isn't just an upgrade, it's a signal. A signal that AI evolution has entered a new phase. Researchers suggest we're moving from scale-based intelligence to architecture-based intelligence. That's huge because architecture decides how systems grow. ENGRAM connects memory, reasoning, and learning into one loop. That loop allows AI to improve internally, not by retraining from scratch, but by organizing knowledge better. This reframes everything. The question is no longer, how big is the model? The question becomes, how well does it think? And this changes the competition completely. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one, where we're breaking down something even more unsettling about where AI is headed. You won't want to miss it.